Sprays, powders, elixirs, gels. There are so many cleaners out there. And if you are like me, you just grab whatever's eye level at the grocery store. But what if I told you that many of those cleaners are full of toxic chemicals? Chemicals that have the power to damage your lungs, disrupt your hormones, and even impact your long-term health.
You may wear gloves. You may even wear a mask while you're cleaning. But if you're using products that are emitting fumes that are dangerous to breathe, they're going to be breathed in by anybody that comes into the room.
Some of you might not want to hear this, but your cleaning products can be poisoning you, your kids, and even your pets. Do you want me to remove the toxic cleaning products? Okay. In this video, we're teaming up with Lisa Bronner, the granddaughter of Emmanuel Bronner, who created Dr. Bronner's soap. She's also a consumer educator and author of Soap and Soul, and she's going to help us uncover the hidden dangers in everyday cleaners and share safer, healthier alternatives. And if you're new here, hi, we're the Nutrition Insider. We give you exclusive access to health brand leaders, in-depth product reviews, and the latest on trends in the health and wellness world. A few weeks ago, I used a mildew stain remover in my shower. After about 15 minutes of using it, I started to notice I was nauseous, I was lightheaded, I just overall didn't really feel very good. So if you've ever felt dizzy, nauseous, short of breath after cleaning, you are not imagining it. Those symptoms are directly correlated with the common household cleaning products that you're using.
There's different levels of hazard. You're probably not accidentally going to ingest your cleaning products, but what you will do is you will breathe their fumes. For example, with bleach, there was a 30-year study that showed that people who regularly clean with bleach, and they specifically looked at nurses and the primary cleaners of homes, these people were 30% more likely to develop COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease than people who didn't clean with bleach. And it's not, drinking it, it's breathing it. Even though it's not the highest hazard, it's the most exposure that any of us will ever experience with our cleaning products.
When it comes to ingredients, many of us can't pronounce half of what's on the back of our cleaning products, but some of them are serious red flags that you should avoid at all costs.
I very much encourage people to stay away from artificial fragrance. Air fresheners, plug-ins, artificially scented candles that are releasing synthetic fragrances into the air. Every single one of us is going to end up with those inside us. Our bodies can't break them down. And then the other thing is preservatives. There's a class of them that are endocrine disruptors, which mean they disrupt our hormonal system. They can cause us to either overproduce, underproduce certain hormones, or they can mimic hormones. And those are certain types of parabens. The other class of preservative that is an irritant are the isothiazolinones. Those are just very common irritants to the skin. There's formaldehyde releasers, which is a known carcinogen, and you find those with a lot of synthetic detergents. Any eth-type detergent like Loreth or Mireth or Oleeth, that means that they've undergone a process which can produce a carcinogenic byproduct called 1,4-dioxane.
Switching from common household cleaners can be tough. It's kind of like breaking up with a toxic ex. Bad joke. But luckily, Lisa has some tips for us. And the first tip, air it out.
Most of us end up living in a situation where our indoor air is much more polluted than our outdoor air. Use your house's vents. They are designed for this purpose. In the bathrooms, in your laundry room, they will move the air through your house. But also with scenting your air, I'm with you. I love the smell of cinnamon. I love apples. So one of my go-tos for scenting the air is a simmer pot. Put a blend of cinnamon sticks, apples, cloves, and as that simmers, you're going to be releasing these natural fragrances into the air.
These at-home remedies are a great start. But what should you look for in a cleaner next time you hit the store? That's when certifications come in.
The primary purpose of a certification is to verify that what a company is saying about its product is true.
It feels like certifications are slapped on almost every product these days. But when you're shopping for non-toxic cleaning products, there are major certifications you should be looking for.
USDA organic. They require an independent certifier to come and evaluate products, your ingredients, to their set of standards. Same thing with fair trade. So those are two very strong ones. The gold standard of certification now is the new regenerative organic certified. And this one standard encompasses organic, fair trade, and animal welfare. And it is a phenomenal standard. Another great certification or a verification for consumers to look for is the EWG Verified. The reason I like this one is it looks at whole formulation. So not just ingredient, but are the preservatives that are being used in the product good ones?
But here's the catch. Not all certifications are created equal. Some are legit third-party stamps of approval, and others, well, they're more like a gold star that a company awarded itself. Yup, brands know that those little badges look impressive, so sometimes they make them up on their own.
It might say bee friendly or sulfate free, but those aren't certifications. So it is on the consumer to know what certification seals look like, but eventually you'll learn and you'll be able to parse products and product claims very easily.
So by now you may be thinking, I need to get rid of all my cleaning products like yesterday. Don't do that.
If you go and you throw away your whole cleaning cabinet and say, I'm not using anything bad, there's such a big learning curve just at first that you'll probably get frustrated and then you'll go right back. You can either start with the product you use the most, which is probably your cleaning spray, or you can start with the product that's the most harmful, which is probably your oven cleaner or your toilet cleaner. So one step at a time and get used to it and you'll enjoy it. You'll save money. You'll have a lot less clutter in your cleaning cabinet and you will be healthier, not exposing yourself to the harmful ingredients in conventional products.
So if you're looking to make the switch to non-toxic products, but now you don't know which ones you want, we made it easy for you. You can check out our list of the top 10 non-toxic cleaning products in the description below.
And if you want to join in a conversation, look for me on Facebook, Going Green with Lisa Bronner, and YouTube. And there's a lot of discussion happening there, and I'm there to answer any questions that you have.
So if you learned something today, go ahead and subscribe for more content like this, or just share with somebody who needs a healthier home. I should go clean now.